Meaning of dampness.
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 Dampness. Dampness refers to the presence of excess moisture or water in a particular environment or material. It can lead to a feeling of clamminess or wetness, as well as mold and mildew growth, which can have negative health effects. The accumulation of dampness can also damage buildings and cause structural problems. Additionally, it can make indoor spaces feel colder and more uncomfortable, which can impact overall well-being. In summary, dampness is the condition of being excessively moist, which can result in various negative consequences for both people and property.